Hi, Mr. Waltman here, Senior Project Coordinator. Today's video is going to be about how to submit your proposal, your senior project proposal on the Moodle. So a good place to start is the student link at the top of the Webster Schools homepage, as we see right here. So I'm going to click on for students, and then I get a bunch of student links, one of which is the senior project. I go there, and I got some information now about open house, parent information night. If you scroll down, you'll see a couple quick links, one to Google Apps, one to Moodle. So this video we're going to look at Moodle. So I click on Moodle, and typically what you're going to see here, let me log out so you can see. You're going to see a username and password location. And your username is going to be your student number, and the password, temporary password, is change me, and you'll be asked to create a password then after that. So please write that down, put it in your cell phone, make sure you remember it. Once you log in, you'll have, it won't look quite like this screen. In fact, let me go out here as a student. I can do that being the administrator for this site. So let me just go to Osman's site here. I'll log in as him, and you'll see it from a student perspective. Okay, so if I go back out to Webster Moodle after logging in, this is probably what you'll see after you log in as a student. So there's two active links on this, one for the course, one for the proposal submission. You could go right to submitting your proposal, but let me just take you to the course link, and you'll see that some other things are set up here, one of which is a link to the manual, if you needed to look at that. Another place for it, it's also on the website. And this link here, submit senior project proposal. Alright, so if I was Osman, I'm going to, my proposal is already completed. It's in a doc format, it's on this computer. I'm going to click the browse button, and what should happen here is your files should come up, and you should be able to pick out your file from your folder or your desktop, open that, and then click upload this file. Alright, and that's pretty much it. That's how you get your file to Moodle. Now you'll also see down here there's a notes and an edit section. So if I click on that as a student, I can send a note to the advisory board. Usually you might find this useful if you receive a not yet on your proposal and you have a question, or something like that. If there's something they should know up front, write it in there, save the changes, and that note will go to the advisory board. Okay, so now I'm going to log out and go in, and I'm just show you from the kind of teacher perspective. All right, so let me go in as an advisory board member, okay, who will look at all of the assignments. And there's actually been 32 student submissions so far. And let me go here to Sarah, who has been approved. And from on the advisory board, we see ones that need to be graded, or if we see update right here, that means the student was the last one to submit. So we can tell whether or not you submitted, we get the time and all that kind of stuff. So if I click on update, I'm going to have a chance to write comments to you as an advisory board member, and I could I also have access over the file, so I'm going to read your proposal. And up here is where you're going to see the grade. So I can check approved, not yet, please revise, or no grade. So Sarah was already approved. Okay, and then I would save those changes, and now let me go back in as Sarah this time. And where did hers go? Sarah. Okay, so let me go back into Sarah, and I'll show you what it looks like from her perspective after she submitted a proposal. Okay, so I'm going to go to those same links, assignments or senior project proposal, and Sarah sees my comments, and she also sees the grade that it's approved. All right, now if it was not approved, she would still be able to submit another file. Okay, as the advisory board member, I turned that off. Since I approved it, this is the final copy. She can't resubmit. Okay, no further submissions are allowed. But a student who received a not yet would be able to submit another document. Okay, either a second document or delete that one and upload the revised version. All right, so you have to log back in and check your assignment again to see if you were approved. Now, if you want to get an email notification or a text message that someone's read your proposal, then I would go into your profile, and right now, remember, I'm logged in as Sarah, so I'm going to go into Sarah's profile and edit her profile. Okay. What you want to do is put in an active email address, or if you want a text message, then it has to be an email, but like your phone number at vtext.com, I think, will go to your phone if you're on Verizon. Okay, so that is pretty much it, how you submit a proposal, how you see if you've been approved. I'm going to go back out as me now, and that's it. All right, thanks.